Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here with a Tip Tuesday video for you. I'm here to show you a wig that needs a little help with the bangs. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I take a hot airbrush to a regular synthetic wig and fix some problem bangs. If you'd like to see more, stick around. All right, everyone, I have on my head Estetica Reeves, and I just filmed a three-way comparison video of Reeves. I reviewed Reeves, and I showed it in 3 different colors. And I did point out in this video that I'm having some issues with the bangs on this one. They're a little bit unruly. They like to hang in my face, and they want to stick up. And I thought, what a great wig to use to demonstrate how you can take a hot airbrush to help you deal with something like this. So as a quick tip Tuesday, I'm gonna show you how I do that. Hold on, let me grab the comb I just dropped. We are actually in my kids' bathroom, and I've never filmed in here before, so we'll see how it goes. I have a little bit more room in here though, so I decided I wanted to come in here. So what I'm gonna use is this hot airbrush. So this is a Hot Tools hot airbrush. I will link in the description this product on Amazon. I think you can get it at Walmart or just about anywhere. The key to using the right product on a synthetic wig though is that you get a hot air brush that is plastic. Don't get one that is metal, and they make one that looks like this, but it's actually a curling iron brush. It's not an air brush. So you want to make sure you get the one that blows air and has all plastic. I think there's some other brands on the market, so you don't have to get this one. Quite honestly, this one feels a little cheapy, but it does the job. So let me show you what I do. First of all, it's really simple. All you do is you take some water, so you always want to spray down the fibers that you're going to hit with the hot airbrush with water. So I'm just getting them, I don't want to get them soaked because that's going to take forever to dry. But I do want to get them wet enough that when the hot air hits it, it's acting kind of like a steam environment for them. Actually may have gotten a little bit too much on these front ones. But then all you're going to do is you're going to take the brush, you're going to turn it on, and you're going to run the brush through it while kind of curling them in so that you're creating a little bit more bend in them and getting them out of the way. So let me show you. And I like to use it on high. I don't think the low is actually high enough. So this does not have a temperature control, but it does not get very hot. It will not fry your synthetic wig. I have done this multiple times with wigs. So because we've got multiple lengths of pieces here, we just want to be careful that I'm not getting it super tangled up in a whole bunch of the longer pieces. And the key is to not hold it too long in any one place. Kind of keep it moving. And we're just redirecting the fibers in the direction that I want it to go. And you can see I can hold my hand on here. That's how not hot it is. And then I kind of want to keep holding it as it's cooling so that it will start to train to the side. So it didn't take very long for that to dry. It's a little damp still. But now you can see it's got a little bit more of a bend. I'm going to have to do just a little bit more, but it has a little bit of a bend, and it's starting to redirect to the side. Something else that you might do is take a thinning shears and just thin them a little bit as well to give it a little bit less bulk. Because this is a basic cap wig, you're not going to be directing these up and off your face like you might a lace front wig. So the trick is getting it to lay to the side well enough that it doesn't annoy you, but not so much that you're now risking seeing that lace front. Or the non-lace front, the basic cap front. And then I'm going to hold it while it's cooling. It's a little warm, so I want to just hold it because I really want those fibers to want to go this direction. See how much better those lay? And so you just do it as many times as you need to do it until you feel like it's going to stay put. This is also a great way to tame some unruly flyaways that you're dealing with. If you have a lot of flyaways, you can take it and spray a little water and then kind of go over the top and get rid of some flyaways. Now on this one, it's got a lot of wave. I want to be careful because the more I go over the waves with the heat, I will relax those waves. So you want to be careful, but on a straight wig that you're dealing with a lot of flyaways, that could be a great way to tame them. And if you have a wig that has a little bit more curl than you want it a little bit more relaxed, you could also try this technique with that, where you spray it with water and then you gently kind of go over those top layers, and that may relax those curls a little bit. I wouldn't do that with a super tight curly wig because you're going to end up frizzing it. But something like this that's just a little bit curlier and you want it more relaxed like this, that should work. All right. That was it. That was pretty much all I needed to do. Now I'll wear it, and if it starts to spring back or start to stick up again, then I'll hit it again with some of that heat. It might take a few sessions, or this might be all it takes. And then I could use some some hairspray, some styling product to get on those bangs even more if I felt the need to do that. But I really don't. I think that was all that was needed. It's not sticking out in weird ways anymore. It's not falling in my face. It's actually just perfect right now. So that's it, you guys. This is your Tip Tuesday. Take a hot airbrush and hit those bangs, or hit some cold crimping that you might be experiencing. If there's some stray pieces that are just sticking out in weird ways, you can redirect them with a little bit of light heat. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope this was helpful, and stay tuned for future Tip Tuesdays. I'll talk to you soon.